Hello students, I am Arun Pandey. I am going to discuss class 7 subject science chapter 1 nutrition in plants. The name of chapter is nutrition in plants. But this is part 2 of the chapter 1. But inside part 2 what I am going to discuss in front of all of you, my students. So my topics today: importance of photosynthesis. What are the importance of photosynthesis? This is the topic. Secondly, I am going to discuss heterotrophic nutrition. So first of all, importance of photosynthesis. So importance of photosynthesis are: plants store excess glucose as starch. So first of all, importance of photosynthesis. In importance of photosynthesis, because plant store excess glucose as starch. Because in the process of photosynthesis, plants makes as a byproduct starch, oxygen also. So not all the starch that are carbohydrate cannot be used by plants. So excess starch, that means excess glucose, is stored in the plant body as a starch. When animals eat plant, when animals eat plants, they can use this starch for their life processes. Life processes means life processes are excretion, digestion, respiration, excretion. These are the life processes. So starch which are stored in the plant body are used in the life processes by the plants. So herbivores are directly depend on plants for their food. Herbivores which are directly depend on plants for their food, while carnivores and omnivores are indirectly depend on plants. But how? Because herbivores are directly depend on plants for their food. So first of all, have to know that what is herbivores. Those organisms which are eat. Herbivores are those animals which eat plant and their product. Herbivores are those organisms which eat plants and the plant product are herbivores. So herbivores are directly depend for their food on plants only. And omnivores and carnivores. Carnivores are those animals which eat only flesh of other animal, and omnivores are those animals, those organisms which depend, such as herbivores and their plant and flesh product, flesh also. That means carnivores are those animals which eat flesh of other animals, and omnivores are those animals which eat flesh of other animals and plant product also. So omnivores and carnivores both are indirectly depend on plants. So next point, oxygen released after photosynthesis. In the importance of photosynthesis, oxygen released after photosynthesis, because when during photosynthesis oxygen is released also, and after that is used by plant and animal for respiration. That means oxygen which is released in the process of photosynthesis are used by plants and animals for their respiration, for their breathing also. And last point in the importance of photosynthesis is, photosynthesis helps to maintain the balance between oxygen and carbon dioxide. It is a very important point. Have to note down all of you that photosynthesis Also make balance between oxygen and carbon dioxide. And after explaining the importance of photosynthesis, we are going to discuss heterotrophic nutrition. So what things I am going to discuss in the process of heterotrophic nutrition. So first of all, have to know heterotrophic nutrition. So heterotrophic nutrition is the mode of nutrition in which organism depend on other organism for their needs. So heterotrophic nutrition is the kind of nutrition where an organism depend on other plants or animal for their nutrition. So organisms that exhibit heterotrophic nutrition are called heterotroph. We are telling you what is heterotroph. So organism which exhibit heterotrophic nutrition are called heterotroph. So organism like animal, some bacteria, fungi cannot prepare their own food. They depend on other organism for their food. So they dependent directly or indirectly on green plants for their food. Green plants are also called producers. Some kind of plants are also heterotroph, and these are plants are parasitic plant, insectivorous plant, symbiotic plant, saprophytes. These are. But we study in my next video about parasitic plant, about insectivorous plant, about saprophyte, about symbiotic plant. So in this video only I am explaining you importance of photosynthesis and heterotrophic nutrition only. So I think that I hope that all of you understand very well my two topics, that is importance of photosynthesis and heterotrophic nutrition. If not understood, then contact my WhatsApp number and I will confirm you on these two topics. So this much enough. Thanks.